Go.
Ninja o Spider-Man. Gayon ko ituring ang mga athletes na itong extreme urban sport na unti-unting nakikilala sa ating bansa, ang parkour.
Parkour began quite recently in France and was founded by David Bell sometime around the years 1995 to 1997. It was originally known as the L'Art to the Plasmid. The name Parkour was also created by David Bell along with Hubert Kohn in 1998. It is a discipline that focuses on efficiency of movement to negotiate between and overcome obstacles. It may be used to aid oneself or others in times of urgent situations, or as a means of creative expressions around spaces. Parkour involves seeing one's environment in a new way and imagining potentialities for movement around it. Parkour developed out of military obstacle course training with roots in altruistic origins, having the line "Être fort pour être utile," which means being strong and to be useful, well known by most practitioners. Parkour, lastly, at its core is the value of camaraderie, uniting people from different walks of life through a shared learning experience. In 2004, Parkour Philippines was started to promote and positively represent parkour in the Philippines, serving as a mechanism to cultivate parkour's underlying value, field principles in the local community, hence contributing to the global parkour movement.
In classical mechanics, linear momentum and translational momentum is the product of the mass and velocity of an object. For example, a heavy truck moving quickly has a large momentum. It takes a larger prolonged force to get the truck up to this speed, and it takes a larger prolonged force to bring it into stop forwards. If the truck were lighter or moving more slowly, then it would have less momentum. Like velocity, linear momentum is a vector quantity, possessing a direction as well as a magnitude. Linear momentum is also a conserved quantity, meaning that if a closed system is not affected by external forces, its total linear momentum cannot change. In classical mechanics, conservation of linear momentum is implied by Newton's laws, but it also holds in special relativity with a modified formula and with appropriate definitions. A generalized linear momentum conservation law holds in electrodynamics, quantum mechanics, and quantum field.
Since you are already familiarized with momentum, express your understanding of a concept by answering the following questions. Question number 1. Determine the momentum of a 60 kg half-bank moving eastward at 9 meters per second. Momentum is equal to mass times velocity, wherein mass is equal to 60 kilograms and velocity is equal to 9 meters per second. 60 kilograms times 9 meters per second is equal to 540 kilograms meters per second going to the east. Question number 2. Determine the momentum of a 1,000 kg car moving northward at 20 meters per second. Momentum is equal to mass times velocity, wherein mass is equal to 1,000 kg and velocity is equal to 20 meters per second. 1,000 kilograms times 20 meters per second is equal to 20,000 kilograms meters per second going to the north. Question number 3. Determine the momentum of a 40 kg freshman moving southward at 2 meters per second. Momentum is equal to mass times velocity, wherein mass is equal to 40 kilograms and velocity is equal to 2 meters per second. 40 kilograms times 2 meters per second is equal to 80 kilograms meters per second going to the south.